Ilang entrance? 50?
Yes. Can I have it?
Dalawa kami.
That must be like an ex-convict.
Yeah.
Stay on.
Is it free po ba ang mga upuan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Well, this is the Dumaluan Beach Resort, guys. Look at, there's a lot of foreigners right now here. There's a lot of people. And the view is okay. White sand. Wow, look at them. There are a lot. Even though it's so hot, but there's a lot of people here. The place is okay. The entrance is only 50 pesos. And today is Sunday. There's foreigners everywhere here with their Pinays. Single bata yan kasi nag-iisa. Afam on the Pinays. This place is so nice. I like this. I like this place. It's a very recommendable place for everybody who come here in Panglao, Bohol. They know that I video the kid.